Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hello helper. And friend, today we are going to learn how to extract multiple zip file or RAR file into one directory or a folder. So keep watching. Here I'm going to show you step-by-step process to extract all the zip files. Here for example, I have 5 zip files or RAR files is available. We want to extract all the files into this particular folder. So keep watching. This video is very interesting and very easy steps. Today I'm going to share with you guys. You can easily extract multiple zip files into a single folder. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open the file or folder where we want to extract that zip files. So friend, first thing first, we are going to select all the zip files which you want to extract. Then what you will do, simply right click on it and then click on WinRAR, and here friend you will see extract here or extract files. We want to extract a particular folder, that's why we click on extract files. Okay, so when I click on that, then I get this pop-up box to select the particular folder. So this is my desktop and here all the folders you can see. So friend, this is the my zip file folder where zip files is available, and we want to extract all the files into this folder. Okay, so select that folder where you want to extract all the files. So simply I selected here and then click on this OK button. So friend, you can see that process is done, and let's see that file is extracted or not. So we are going to open two windows, okay, so we get the perfect idea about it. So friend, here you can see that these are my zip files and these are my extracted files. Let's see that files is how the look is. So you can see that this is the simple images which I want to extract into a simple and single folder. These are different zip files, and we extracted all the files into a single folder. Okay, so friend, this is a tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily extract multiple RAR file into a single folder. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things and save their time. So friend, this is my request to you guys. If you are coming first time on this channel, please click on like button and also comment me below what things you like into this video, and if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to share this video to your friends and colleagues, so friend, they will learn this advanced tutorial. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.